I am AI avatar of CA Ratan Mundra. IFSCA has issued a new master circular for broker dealers and clearing members operating in GIFT IFSC. This circular consolidates multiple earlier regulations, operational guidelines, and compliance instructions into one unified framework. The objective is to simplify regulatory compliance while strengthening governance, supervision, technology controls, and investor protection. This development is highly important for broker dealers, clearing members, compliance teams, operations teams, IT departments, auditors, and consultants working within the IFSC ecosystem. Before this circular, intermediaries had to refer to several separate circulars issued by SEBI and IFSCA over different periods of time. This created operational confusion and increased compliance complexity. The new master circular brings all major obligations together into a single reference document. This improves clarity and reduces duplication. However, it also increases accountability because regulators now expect firms to maintain stronger internal controls, centralized compliance tracking, and better documentation practices. The master circular is based on the IFSCA Capital Market Intermediaries Regulations 2025. These regulations provide the legal framework for registration, supervision, and governance of intermediaries operating within GIFT IFSC. The regulator is gradually moving toward a globally aligned supervisory model focusing on operational resilience, technology governance, client protection, risk management, and compliance transparency. The circular covers the entire operational lifecycle of broker-dealers and clearing members. It includes registration procedures, governance standards, supervision mechanisms, reporting obligations, audit requirements, client asset protection, technical glitch handling, business continuity planning, and surrender procedures. This means compliance is no longer limited to filing reports. Every department, including finance, operations, legal, risk, compliance, and IT, becomes part of the regulatory framework. The master circular focuses on several key regulatory areas. These include governance standards, risk-based supervision, client asset protection, technical glitch management, system audits, business continuity planning, disaster recovery testing, vendor risk management, and periodic reporting. One of the major changes is the increased focus on operational resilience and technology governance. Regulators now expect firms to maintain proper evidence, incident logs, testing reports, and documented corrective actions. For broker-dealers, the circular requires immediate review of internal compliance systems. Existing policies, onboarding procedures, reporting formats, client fund handling processes, and technology controls should all be mapped against the new framework. Broker-dealers should also strengthen reconciliation systems, maintain proper audit evidence, improve compliance tracking, and ensure operational controls are properly documented. Clearing members play a critical role in market stability and settlement operations. The circular increases expectations around risk monitoring, collateral management, operational continuity, and supervisory readiness. Special attention is being given to disaster recovery preparedness, reporting systems, operational resilience, and handling of technical disruptions. Firms should ensure proper documentation, escalation systems, and periodic testing of critical infrastructure. The circular significantly increases governance expectations for boards, senior management, and compliance teams. Compliance can no longer be treated only as a back-office activity. Boards are expected to review compliance reports, technology incidents, audit observations, client protection measures, and operational risks regularly. Compliance teams must maintain updated policies, evidence records, reporting calendars, SOPs, and audit documentation. The technology-related provisions are among the most important parts of the circular. Firms are expected to maintain systems for incident reporting, technical glitch escalation, disaster recovery testing, and vendor risk management. Technology teams should maintain incident logs, backup procedures, system testing reports, cybersecurity controls, and software change management records. Regulators are increasingly focusing on operational resilience as a core part of market integrity. To conclude, the IFSCA Master Circular creates a more structured and transparent regulatory framework for broker-dealers and clearing members in GIFT IFSC. While the circular simplifies compliance by consolidating earlier regulations, it also raises expectations around governance, operational resilience, client protection, reporting, and technology controls. Entities should immediately conduct a compliance gap analysis, update internal policies, strengthen documentation systems, review operational controls, and align their compliance processes with the new framework. This circular is not only about regulatory compliance, it is about building stronger, safer, and globally credible financial market infrastructure within GIFT IFSC. Moon Sales and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling compliances, risk management. Renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university, BAT, and ancillary regulations and fintech. Expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA. comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.